Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in drawing but for some reason you haven't yet picked up a pencil, or if you started but quickly lost motivation, then this video is for you. I'll be giving you my top 5 tips to get started and progressing so that you quickly see yourself improving and keep that momentum going. I'll also be drawing this ballerina using just a HB pencil, an eraser and a tissue for blending, so if you're stuck for inspiration for your first drawing, you can give this a go. Let's dive in. Tip number 1 is to start small. You can complete a number of small drawings in the time that it will take you to complete one large drawing, and there are a number of benefits to this. You can complete a number of drawings quite quickly, which means you'll have practiced a number of times your drawing skills for each stage of the process, from measuring and proportions to the line drawing through to the tonal drawing and the shading. You can also use a variety of different images, which will allow you to see what subject matter appeals to you and what doesn't. You can also build up a body of work quite quickly. Some of pieces you might like more than others, but hopefully you'll see an improvement, and this will give you confidence and the motivation to keep going. Tip number 2 is to enjoy the process. Too often people focus on the end result and rush through the process to complete a finished drawing as quickly as possible. Slow down. There are a number of skills to be learned at each stage of your pencil drawing. You can take progress photos at each stage, then you can compare the image you're drawing to critically assess the likeness. Spend some time looking and comparing to see if there's adjustments required before moving on to the next stage of your drawing. This will show you how far you've come with each layer, and it's also good to look back and to realise how much work actually went into the final finished piece. Tip number 3, if you're using reference photos, make sure they're good quality. And what I mean by that is that they're clear, sharp and in focus. It's easy to see the tonal values. There's a good contrast between lights and darks, which will help you achieve a sense of depth in your drawing. If it's a colour photo, convert it to black and white to help you with the pencil drawing. Don't rule out a colour photo straight away, but make sure that you check when it's converted to black and white that it still works as a black and white image. I also have a separate video on choosing a good reference photo for your drawing, and you can check this out later if you want to learn more about this. Tip number 4 is keep learning. Find a way to ensure that you're continuously improving your drawing. There are a number of options available. For example, there's lots of artists on YouTube, Instagram and Patreon who post tutorial videos. Find 1 or 2 artists in your niche who inspire you and follow their work. See what educational content they're making and learn from them. You can also, as I previously mentioned, you can take photos of your work and compare them yourself to the image that you're working on. This is a great way to improve your drawing. You can also take some in-person art classes or get involved in art workshops in your local area. And tip number 5, the most important tip of all, just get started. You don't need to do a whole body of research or watch a whole load of videos to find out the best materials to buy. You don't need all the fancy equipment you might see other artists using. You don't need a lot of space, especially for pencil drawing, and you don't need a lot of free time. The beauty of pencil drawing is that it doesn't take time to set up in the way you would need for a painting. It's not messy and you don't need much space. It's easy to pick up and put down even if you only have 15 minutes or half an hour. So my advice is to get started. You just need a few basic material. Pick an image that you like, any image at all, and give it a go. If you're stuck for an image to do for your first drawing, you could always have a go at the one that I'm working on at the moment. It's quite easy and straightforward, and I'm just using, as I said, a HB pencil, an eraser and a tissue to blend. And that's it for this video. If you found my tips useful, please give the video a like and comment below letting me know which one was your favourite. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.